Hello. Today I'm going to show you 4 critical mistakes that can absolutely ruin your piano playing. But don't worry, once you know these trouble spots and how to fix them, your playing will instantly feel smoother and more confident. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Have you ever find your arms and fingers stiff and wrist like glued together to one spot? That's the iron grip. It slows you down and it can cause actual pain. Instead of your shoulders being up, let your shoulders sink down. Imagine someone gently pulling a string from the top of your head so you're tall but not tense. Keep your wrist flexible like they were floating on your keys. And try this, practice with me. Rest your hand on the keys, but keep your wrist free like the hand, yeah, and they should bounce slightly up and down, slightly. And then play any 5 note scale. For example, C, D, E, F, G. And watch that your wrists don't lock, but go up and slowly breathing on each note, like C, D, E, F, G, and then down G, F, E, D, C. Let's do this together one more time, nice and slow. C, D, E, F, G, and down. G, F, E, D, C. Do you feel that looselessness? Yeah, that's what you want. And also, relax your arms, relax your shoulders, relax your fingers, and let's go to mistake number 2. And mistake number 2 is the timing gap. And that's ignoring the beat. And that's ignoring the beat or the count. So if you rush or drag the music, loses grooves, no matter how good your notes are. So a simple fix, count out loud while you play. Yes, it might feel silly at first, but it locks your fingers and ears together. Let's try a tiny chord exercise. So left hand plays a C chord. C, E, G in a slow pattern. Press and hold and release. Right hand claps or taps your thigh in time, like counting 1, 2, 3, 4. And we do this together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3. Release. Ready? Let's do this together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3. Release. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And last time. 1, 2, 3. Release. Okay, good job. This is so simple, but it's the best foundation to stop that timing trap. So let's go to mistake number 3. And if your fingers look like zombies, always the same 2, 3, barely moving around, your hand will never learn to shape itself comfortably. So you'll hit wrong notes and everything feels tough. And that's the zombie fingering, always using the same fingers. Instead, let's give each finger a job. Thumb on C, index on D, middle on E, ring on F, pinky on G. So, for a quick practice, we'll do the new ladder technique. So, go up from C to E, one finger per note. Skip back down by intervals of 2 steps, G, E, C. Let me show you. C, D, E, F, G, and down is G, E, C. So, it sounds like so let's try this together. Ready? Only the left hand and go. And again. Thumb, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. And now pinky, middle finger, thumb. And one more time. C, D, E, F, G, G, E, C. Neat, right? And notice how each finger gets used? No more zombie style. So, ready for mistake number 4. The pedal mesh. And that's sustaining everything. So, ever hear a huge blur of sound when you try to sound elegant? And that comes from meshing the pedal all the time. All the notes get meshed together. And pedal, well, actually the pedal can be used very powerful, but too much pedal, muddy, unclear music. So, let me demonstrate a quick staccato note that become muddy with constant pedal. For example, yeah, and with pedal it becomes muddy. That's a little too much. So, let's do a short chord progression. Sorry. Instead, what we need to do for this one, for example, when I press the pedal, yeah, I start with my first chord, I press the pedal, then I move to my new chord, and here, quickly release and repress the pedal. Now. Oh, next chord, release and repress it immediately. And for the next chord, again. And now it doesn't sound muddy anymore. Only the notes that should blend smoothly together. So let's do this for this short chord progression. For each chord, press the pedal as soon as we play the first note of the chord. So we play a C major chord, which is C, E, G. Then we play a G major chord, which is G, B, D. Then we play an A minor chord, which is A, C, and E. And then we play an F major chord, which is F, A, and C. So, and always when the thumb plays, we press or release and repress the pedal like this. So press, now the thumb plays, release and repress. Next chord, thumb plays, release and repress. Next chord, when the thumb plays, release and repress. All right, let's do this together for 2 times. All right, let's go. Next chord. Next chord, repress. One more time. Release and repress. Next chord, release and repress. Next chord, release and repress. Next chord, release and repress. All right, give that a shot. It's not very easy, but you will make it, and it's very important. Listen for clarity instead of slope. All right, so here you have it. 4 beginner mistakes you absolutely want to stop right now. And by keeping your posture relaxed, timing steady, fingers active, and pedal use precise, you'll sound so much better, so much faster. Isn't that great? So, if you really like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps tremendously. Also, I do have a piano course for beginners, which is free, my piano crash course. You get an ebook full of chords, a lot of tips, and a free mini course that's perfectly tailored for beginners. I link it down in the description. You can get it there for free. And once you got this, you can click here for the next video to go on. Thanks so much for being here.